Want to make your soccer viewing experience in Germany even more exciting? If you're planning on watching soccer in Germany, either at a public viewing, at a sports bar, or even in the stadium, knowing important keywords will be crucial if you want to follow along. Soccer is an integral part of German culture, and learning more about it allows you to experience the excitement and passion that Germans feel during major tournaments. If you ever thought Germans were cold and emotionless, start a conversation about soccer and see what happens. So in today's lesson, I'm going to share with you important vocabulary so that you'll be able to understand German commentary more easily and follow along. Excited for that? Then leave a like. And if you're new to this channel, hello, I'm Salome. I'm a native German teacher, and on this channel, I teach practical German for daily life to help you become conversational and feel more comfortable in the German-speaking countries. If that sounds like the kind of content you want, then make sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow and get the message out to more German learners just like you. Also, bist du bereit? Los geht's. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at the players in a team, which, by the way, is die Mannschaft in German. So we got der Torwart, der Verteidiger, der Mittelfeldspieler, der Stürmer, der Kapitän, der Auswechselspieler und der Trainer. Also, a very important person in the game is the referee, which in German is called der Schiedsrichter, or in colloquial German, you will hear people refer to him as der Schiri as well. Next, we'll need to know some important words that come up during a match. Let's start with the kickoff, which is der Anpfiff and der Anstoß. In English, both are translated as the kickoff, but in German, there is a slight difference. Der Anpfiff refers specifically to the moment when the referee starts the match by blowing the whistle. Der Pfiff is the blow, so to speak. And that indicates the beginning of the play, and der Anstoß is referring to the initial kick. During the match, you'll hear terms like das Abseits, die Ecke, or der Eckstoß, die Schwalbe, der Einwurf, das Handspiel, das Foul. With that often comes the word die Grätsche oder jemandem reingrätschen. Yep, it is as awful as it sounds. It's basically a sliding tackle, very painful if not done precisely. Next up, we got der Vorteil, which means an advantage. So an advantage is given if a foul or a handball has taken place and the team concerned has gained an advantage as a result. The referee then allows the play to continue and does not blow the whistle. Now, if there indeed was a foul or handball, then depending on the situation, you'll need to know words like der Freistoß, das Elfmeterschießen, die gelbe Karte, or die rote Karte, and das Aus. And with that often comes the phrase der Ball ist im Aus, or der Ball war im Aus. And the most important word you'll probably need to know is das Tor. When Germans get excited and yell Tor, they will actually stretch the O for as long as they possibly can. So it's Tor, Tor. Another phrase people shout often when a goal was made is der Ball ist drin, which means it's in or the ball is in. Speaking of things people shout or sing, do also keep in mind that each local team has their own thing going on with their fans, and in terms of songs they sing or phrases they shout before or during a match. I definitely recommend visiting a match in a stadium at least once in your life. It's absolutely worth the experience. Other important words you'll need to know to understand what's going on is, for example, jemanden auswechseln, to substitute someone, or die Ersatzbank, die Halbzeit, also die erste Halbzeit und die zweite Halbzeit, and die Verlängerung. Now, if you learn these words and phrases thoroughly, you'll definitely be able to follow the most important events during a game. Let me know in the comments below if I forgot any, and I'll be happy to follow up with you there. I hope you have an exciting time watching soccer in Germany, and I hope you have found this video helpful. If so, and if you haven't yet, do give it a like, and I'll be back next week with another German lesson for you guys. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!